Hello everyone. In this video I will go with the shortcuts of web browser. As you know that web browsers are essential tools for accessing the internet, and using keyboard shortcuts can make the browser faster and more efficient. Instead of relying over the movement of mouse for opening settings, navigating into different tabs, managing tabs, controlling settings, we can perform this action by using just a few important keystrokes of the keyboard. Okay, and these shortcuts work across all the popular web browser in the world. Okay, I am not recommending that. I am not suggesting any particular web browser here, but I will go with Microsoft Edge. As you know, as of my knowledge, most of the user here are using Microsoft Edge, but all over the world the most user in the world are using Google browser in order to perform their daily activities. Okay, but the same action will be performed into different browsers. We can try it into. Now I have opened my Microsoft Edge browser. Before proceeding further, I want to make one disclaimer here that there is nothing to be a topic of argument that the why I am going with Microsoft Edge browser, or I should go with Google Chrome browser. We can go as you wish. There is almost similar option and similar feature as I will be discussed here later. Okay. Now, if I want to open new tab, I can press Ctrl plus T simultaneously. Okay, Ctrl T, Ctrl T, Ctrl T. I have pressed 3 times Ctrl T, and three new tabs is opened. Okay. If I want to close them one by one, we can go with Ctrl plus W, Ctrl plus W. Okay. Now, here I am writing a Facebook word, only Facebook, nothing. Okay. And if I want to write www dot and dot com at the end, we can press Ctrl plus enter simultaneously. I have pressed, and now you can see that this Facebook is opened and with www dot and dot com at the end. Okay, this is prefix and this is suffix. Okay, now I want to close this. For closing, as I have discussed, we can press Ctrl plus W. Now it has been closed. And if I want to reopen the previously closed tab, we can press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Now I have pressed Ctrl plus Shift plus tab, then previously closed tab is opened again. Okay. If you wish to make this as a favorite or bookmark, whatever, then you can press Ctrl plus D. Control plus D. Now the option, now you can see that the option to be added as a favorite or a pop-up is appeared here. Now you can press done and this will be added. Okay. Now I am closing this. Control plus W. I have bookmarked many websites here, but it is not visible. If you wish to show this, we can press Control plus Control plus Shift plus B, and this work as a toggle button. What visible, hidden, visible, hidden, visible, hidden. Okay, we can see here whatever we used to. If I want to see, then Control plus Shift plus B. If I want to hide, Control Shift plus B again. Okay, if I wish to duplicate this current tab, then let me open Facebook again. This is my Facebook account and I want to duplicate this tab, then I can press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. Now you can see that the same tab is duplicated in just beside this. Okay, and if I am playing something video, and if I wish to make this as a mute mode, then we can press Ctrl plus M. Okay, it is not visible because here I am not playing any video, and be, here I am not playing this video any video because there might be a chances of getting copyright here. You can try from your side, no problem. Okay, if you used to hide any history from visible to other person or visible later, we can pray and want to open web browser in incognito mode, then we can press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Okay, we can go with this. It will be a safe browser and we can read this documentation, what is the feature for this and how it works. It means how it works is not defining you that how this web browser in incognito work is working behind the scene. Okay, but about the feature will be discussed here. You can go. I am closing this. Okay, and as a developer, if you wish to open this view, so it means source code for this, we can press Ctrl plus U simultaneously. You can see that the source code for this page www.facebook.com opened. This is the code for the this this facebook.com tab. This is the source code. Okay, there is too much code, but it is embedded in the form of links or many things. Okay, now you can see that here I have opened three tabs, that is ipl.com, facebook.com and youtube.com. If I want to switch to YouTube, that is the first tab, then we can press Ctrl plus 1. If I want to switch to the third tab, Ctrl plus 3, that is ipl.com. And if I want to go switch to last tab, that is also ipl.com. Here I have pressed Ctrl plus 9, then here it will Ctrl plus 3 and Ctrl plus 9 will perform in the same way because the last tab and the third tab here is ipl.com. For clarifying this, I want to open few more tabs. Then I have to press Ctrl plus T, Ctrl plus T. Now if I wish to switch to Ctrl plus sorry, fifth tab, I can press Ctrl plus 5. Now I want to go to last tab, Ctrl plus 9. Okay, the difference for this is clearly visible and now it makes you understandable. Okay, if 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 you want to go to previous tab, that is the tab which is just before current tab, then we can press Ctrl plus Shift plus tab. You can see that I am going with previous tab. Okay, this is. If I want to see the history, then I can press Ctrl plus H. Okay, if I want to know the downloading process or whatever has been downloaded, then we can press Ctrl plus J. And if I want to see how many tab I have made as a bookmark, then we can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. And you can see that these are the tabs which I have make this as a bookmark and within the different folders. Okay, we can also create folders, different folders from here and mark them as a favorite. Okay, and that is from my side. Now okay, one more thing I want to make this clear, that if I want to make this as a full screen, I can press Ctrl plus sorry F11. Now you can see that it is visible as a full screen, and that is from my side. Now I am closing this video. If you have any further questions, you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely try to